Hi, Mr. Azlan, the landlord here with my Nasi Ulam random. Actually, I ended up with quite a lot. This is what I'm going to eat now for my first course. And I had to mix it up in 2 steel bowls. So this is one of them and this is the other. So I've got all this more to finish. If I can't finish it now, I'll probably have it tomorrow. So anyway, it's smell delicious. I've got lots of ingredients. I've got half a limau kapas. I've got a handful of tauge. I've got satu ikat kari pele, daun kari leaves. I've got satu ikat daun kesum, Thai basil. I've got a stalk of scallion, green onions, okay, daun bawang. What else? I've got bunch of fried tempeh, which I've cut up to small pieces. Bunch of fried tofu, which I've cut into small pieces. I've got 2 yard beans, kacang panjang, which I've cut into small pieces. I've got 2 cloves of garlic. I've got 2 roast onions. Yeah, the roast onions, the Achi got a new batch. They're quite nice. So I bought like 7 or 8, and then I cut 2 of them up and put it in my Nasi Ulam random. I've got 30 turns of what do you call it, kampot black pepper, and I've got lettuce, I've got tomato, random stuff, you know. It doesn't really matter what you have. So I'm gonna have it with what do you call it, this fresh kunit, which I brought from the Achi downstairs, and then our recent newest favorite, which is crispy Korea seaweed chili. Okay, I've almost, I can't open it with one hand. I've almost finished this jar. I can't open it. Yeah, it's too tight. And I got 2 more jars of this crispy, where is it? Yeah, crispy Korea seaweed chili. Okay, whenever I buy this stuff, I buy 3 jars because they finish so quickly, because it's so delicious. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy this, my meal of the day, and it's quite late. It's, I think, 6:30 or so. So see you next time. Bye. There you go. I finished 1 plate. It was so nice. In fact, it's so nice. Since I've got some more here, I'm going to have another plate of my Nasi Ulam random. Okay, I really can't recommend it more. It's so good, so easy to make, so healthy. I wish more people would eat Nasi Ulam random. In fact, it was so good, I forgot completely to put the crispy Korea seaweed. So I'm going to put some in now for my second plate. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye. As I was eating it, I realized I had one ingredient in there which I forgot to mention. It's curry. I've cut up juliennes of curry. Curry, K-Y-U-R-I, is Japanese cucumber. Okay, so yeah, that's one ingredient I forgot to mention earlier. Okay, this is 1 jar of the Korean crispy seaweed which I've finished. Okay, so luckily I've got 2 more jars, but this one is completely demolished.
anything in this video resonated with you, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, leave a comment. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.